Hey everybody, and welcome to a special video. Today, we're not going to do a craft, but I'm going to give you a brutally honest review of a product that was sent to me. And I hope you guys know that I will not give you a false review, regardless of if someone sent me a product or if I purchased the product myself. I'm always going to be 100% honest with you and tell you exactly what I think and exactly how I feel about a product. I never want you guys to purchase something that I tell you to purchase and I don't love it and I don't stand behind that product. So just know anytime that I do a review, I am giving you my 100% honest review. I would never want to steer you guys wrong. In today's review, we are going to review the MollieOllie Mimmo Caddy. This is an awesome little caddy and I can't wait to show you guys how much stuff this holds and give you guys some really close-up views. I absolutely am a fan. The best part is they're offering us a 10% discount right now for 2 weeks. So that starts January 4th, 2020 and goes for 2 weeks. So that'll end January 18th, 2020. And that's 10% off. Use the code 10Corinne and make sure you shop the link down below in the description. But this thing is awesome and I can't wait to show you everything it holds. Everything I have in here is not even a portion of what it holds. So I'm going to show you guys everything I could fit in here, the quality construction of this, and all of my favorite features. So let's get started. So here's an up-close view of our MollieOllie Mimmo Caddy. This thing is awesome. I love it. And it's really sturdy feeling, which is great. And if you look, one of the things that I noticed is the stitching on the handles. This is always something to really look at when you're purchasing any sort of a bag. I'm gonna go ahead and collapse it down really quick for you guys because you can see that it gets really small too, so if you wanna store it. But what I love about this is that this stitching has a really good quality stitch to it, so these handles are really well put together onto the bag. And then we have 3 little pockets in the front, and here's the back. You also have 3 pockets on the back. You have an additional large pocket on this side, and then this side is my favorite side because it has this really cool zipper pouch. And what I love about it is it has a little Velcro pouch here for all of your things. And then you also have these little elastic pieces here, these loopies, to hold your stuff in. And on top of that, it has dividers. So can you guys see the Velcro in here? You Velcro here and Velcro on this side. And it comes with these really cool dividers that match the inside that have a Velcro on them ready to put in. So all you simply have to do is put your Velcro sides together. So we're just gonna Velcro that one down. And then you come to the other side and you're gonna Velcro this side down. And if you want just the 2 pieces, if you want it split in half, you can do that. Or if you would like to add an additional little space, you can do that by putting in the smaller divider. So this is a really handy tool. I love this thing. And I can't wait to see everything that we can put inside of here, because what I think this is gonna be great for is traveling with your Cricut Joy. So this, I think, is going to be a really handy thing for our Joy. So I'm going to get our Joy and let's see what we can take with us if we want to travel with our Joy. I've gathered up some things to take with me, so let's get everything loaded. First, we're going to use our Cricut Joy, and I love how nicely it fits right on this side. Super easy to fit in there. I'm also going to bring a few things to decorate with. So I've got some bling from Auntie Tay, which if you guys are interested, you can get Auntie Tay bling from shopauntitay.com. Use my code Corinne, all capitals, and that'll save you 10%. Let's take some washi tape with us. I've got some scissors and some tools, but also I want to make sure that I take my Easy Press Mini because this thing is super handy. And I'm going to use it to put some HTV on things. Now, I know I should probably wrap my cord better, but I just didn't, so it's fine. But look how nicely that fits right in there, and you still have some room for some more stuff. So let's go ahead and put our washi tape with that. Then in our little side pocket, which I think is super handy, I'm going to go ahead and put my pin pen, and I'm going to use these little loopies to hold my stuff. I'm going to go ahead and put my craft knife. And if you guys notice a theme, I really love the color mint. I'm going to put my contour cutter. And I'm going to go ahead and put in my squeegee and my scraper. You can fit so much stuff in here. And then I also grabbed my rotary cutter because this thing is super handy. I'm going to go ahead and lay this one down inside there. And then I'm also going to bring my Joy pen with me, plus a pair of scissors. Now the scissors don't fit great in here. I think I would prefer to leave them out here just because I think that would be an easier way to do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and zip this up. This is good and full for what I'm bringing with me. And our craft cutter might be a little too tall. The lid makes it pretty tall, so I'm gonna go ahead and just lay that down in there as well. And we'll zip that in. And then I definitely want to take something to measure with, which this is a super handy measuring tool. And then I want to take transfer tape, which also very important. I also really want to take my iPad because I can use my Joy with my iPad. So I'm going to go ahead and put my iPad in this outside handle. And then I also want to take my Apple Pencil. So I'm going to put my Apple Pencil right in the outside pocket. I'm also going to want to take my little iVine berry weeding cup. I think that thing is the best. We'll take some paper with us because you always need paper. You can make so many fun things with different papers, so we're definitely going to bring that along. And then I have a whole tote full of like great stuff that goes with my Joy, which includes Joy mats and the card mats, so we're definitely going to bring those with us as well. Now mine are a little bit curled from sitting in, so I'll put those ones in last. Those are a little bit curled from sitting in the box. I have some Joy card inserts, which I love to play with. And then, of course, we want to bring some vinyl with us. So we'll go ahead and tuck those right in as well. And as you kind of pack, you'll see that you can kind of move things around and fit things in different areas. And, of course, the last thing we need to make sure we bring with us is our Joy cord. Now, I will say this is just a jumbled mess right now because it's been in a drawer for a while. I haven't really used my Joy very much, but I think because I can travel with it and take it places, especially with this awesome little caddy, I can kind of keep everything together, and I think it'll be a little bit easier now to travel and take it over to my mom's house, and we can make fun things over there, and we can make cards and things like that. So I do think that with this little travel caddy that I'm going to want to take my Joy more places. The Maker and the Explorer are so heavy, and it's so hard to carry them around, and you don't want to damage them, and because they're so heavy, it's easy to drop, and they're just kind of cumbersome. But this little Joy is great for like traveling. Again, I don't really use mine real often, but I do think that by kind of bringing this along with this little caddy, I think I would use this so much more. And you can absolutely fit even more stuff in here. I can take an extra pin pen. I could take another squeegee because I can put those in the side pockets. Like this, look how much stuff this holds, you guys. And like, it's not even that heavy. But like, what I love is it's so sturdy. You see how well it holds up together while I'm picking it up? It really holds its shape really nicely. So then we can just go ahead and slide in our mats wherever they want to fit. And like I said, these ones are kind of bent because I have the long mats and they're not in a long box. So they do kind of fold over, but they work fine in the Joy. But what I love is that you could easily just sort of tuck them around the Joy if you wanted to. You can stick them here with your iPad, whatever really works best for you. But look at this. You fit so much stuff in here. And this is literally everything I would need to make a craft. You could even find some blanks that you could easily tuck into here as well. And it's super, super sturdy. Another thing that I actually love to take if I'm working with bling is a little bling tray, and I just thought about this. This will fit perfectly right in this little outside pocket, so that's great. And if I want to do anything with jump rings, I can take my little jewelry pliers. Again, see the mint teal theme here. I can stick my jewelry pliers right on in there, and there's still more room for stuff, you guys. And it's so sturdy. Guys, I'm so impressed with this. This is probably one of the reasons I will take my Joy somewhere now. Because before I would have to pack everything up in a tote bag and everything would be rolling around and it would be just a big old mess. But legitimately, you can still fit more stuff in here. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go see how much more stuff I can fit in here and still be able to move this around and comfortably move it and lift it. And then what I'll do is I'll unpack it really quick and show you everything that I was able to put comfortably into my MollieOllie Mimmo Caddy. Are you guys ready to see everything that I fit inside this caddy? It's crazy. So I literally just grabbed stuff off of my shelves, whatever I had. So we fit some mats. I fit 4 mats, 2 of the 12-inch and 2 of the 6-inch mats. My iPad pencil. I fit a bunch of different kinds of glue. I fit in my Scorch Marker Pro. I brought with me the scoring stylus, and what I like is while this doesn't fit in the Joy, you can just use it with your hand to score things, which is great. I also brought a resin stirrer. We've got a squeegee, a pin pen, jewelry pliers, bling tray. I brought a cup. I brought transfer tape. Wait till you see how much bling I was able to fit in here. Bling and bling and more bling and more bling. There's more and more bling. More bling, so much bling. Then I was able to fit smart vinyl, pack of paper, pack of card blanks. I fit my iVine berry weeding tool, my Easy Press Mini, plus its little base, pair of scissors, 3 washi tapes, my cup holder for putting vinyl on cups. I fit my weeding tools from iVine, my Apple charger, which don't laugh at me, I keep it in a Ziploc so that I don't lose the little Apple Pencil charger. I also was able to fit earring hooks, jump rings. Guys, I'm running out of room already. A ruler. I was able to fit the cords, all of them, for the Joy. Plus the Joy. I've got more. It's like the endless tote of things, but I love it. This is such a great travel companion. Rotary cutter and my craft knife, plus another pin pen, the pen for the Joy, the contour cutter, as well as another squeegee and my little red scraper. Guys, I'm shook at how much this held, and it was so easy to carry, and it's so sturdy. You guys, this is so cool. Now, I will give you this, and I told you at the beginning of the video, this was sent to me to give a review, but I always tell you guys, if I don't love something, I will tell you, and I love this. This is such a fun tote. It is easy to use. You can take the centerpieces out. It's very sturdy, and it's such a cute color. Now, I will double check, and I will test it, but this is all felt, and it's like a very heavy, thick felt, so I don't see why we couldn't put HTV on this. I think you could absolutely put HTV on this. Now, I would recommend using your mini press to do this, but how fun would this be to take to like a scrapbook crop or something, and you could put your name on it, your logo, whatever you wanted to, and A, that makes sure that it's your tote and nobody's gonna take it, and then B, also, you can kind of use it as advertisement. The inside is this really nice fabric, and I think this is going to be an easy wipe down type of fabric. So if you get it dirty for any reason, if you maybe spill something in it, this seems like it would be really, really easy to clean. I am really impressed with this. And like I said, it held all of this, and probably I could have shoved more in there. I just kind of ran out of stuff. So you guys, this thing is fantastic. Again, these feel so sturdy. I love the handles, and I like they are stitched along the top as well, and then they have that high quality stitching right here. I really think this is a bag that's going to hold up for a really long time. I like the stitching on the corners as well, and then this little tote inside is so cute. I just think this is going to be such a handy little tool, and these little elastic loops are fantastic, so stuff doesn't go rolling around and disappear on you. The 3 pockets on both the front and the back are super handy. You can fit a lot of stuff in those. And then I love this little side pocket. My iPad fit perfectly in this, which is super important for me because I don't want to lug around my laptop if all I'm taking with me is the tiny little Joy. It's perfect to take your iPad and you can run your Joy off of that. So it's really easy. You guys, this thing, totally worth it. I will link this below. And you can also find MollieOllie on all of the fun social medias. They are at _MollieOllie_ on Instagram, and they are MollieOllie Mimmo on Facebook. So be sure to check them out. Thank you again to MollieOllie for sending me this adorable tote. I'm so excited to actually be able to take my Joy somewhere and use it. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. I'm so happy to answer those for you. Be sure you subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos all the time. Hit that bell icon, that will let you know when I post a new video. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I hope you've enjoyed my review of the MollieOllie Mimmo Caddy. Have a great day and happy crafting!